guys. That's right, left lane. Got a big block. One of them stock condo. That's right, one of them 396. The ones that didn't nobody want to buy back in the day. Everybody wanted the 427. 428 Cobra Jet. Oh no, that's 351. What? Yeah, 351 Cleveland. Yeah. Got a 351 Cleveland.
Take that side. Take it outside?
Yeah, on this. Okay. We got a Regal on Regal action, guys. G-body on G-body crime. Which side do you like? Pick a side. Anybody need to sell a Cali converters? If y'all just did a header swap, y'all check out my boy in the right hand corner. He bought them Cali converters. Look no further. Right lane for the win, guys. Right lane. We got the Stone Vet in the building, guys, getting stoned. He had a vet and he stoned it in the Subaru. That's right. Stone Subaru. Setting the record. Anybody want to donate? Our cash app is Lookout Racing all together. Or you can use number 214-514-9545 for PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Apple Pay, anything. If any of my people want to shout out on my YouTube channel, anybody on TikTok, just let me know. He got a good old cool license plate. Better on it. All right, y'all pick a lane, pick a side. Hey, man, I can bet with you, right? You on my YouTube channel? Okay, bet. I'm betting with you, man. Hey, 100 more right here. 200, bet 200 right here. 200. Getting them hyped up, y'all. I don't know where, man, machinery. Where you at? Where you at? I ain't seen you in a minute at the damn track, man, machinery. I've been thinking about Mad Machinery. I had a new song for him. My car won't stop, it keep going. Yeah. My car won't stop, it just keep going. I done broke the crops and it keep going. Yeah. I ran over crops, I ran over plants. I ran over crops. I ran over soybeans, yeah. I ain't got no brakes, Skirt. I can't even do that, I can't even do that, bitch. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel.
Now you gotta get in contact with him.
Look out, man. What? Let me know what it is, man. Tell me one time.
It's some paint body work, man. Sneaker touch is the place to be. You know
Yeah.
He
getting that paint body work done.
CJ just came in and got some work done.
Oh, yeah? They say CJ just came.
Real too.
Real to real, too?
You working on stunner?
Okay. I might get in an accident and come to you, man. I know where to go now.
You gonna fix all of it?
You gonna fix it all? You can bring it back?
He gonna give you
Okay, he can bring it back, y'all.
You ain't gonna have to go
motherfucker need a paint job right this hole.
Yeah. A whole bunch of them. I can get you some bids. I know a whole bunch of people need a paint job, man. Yeah. What happened? What happened?
That race canceled.
A race canceled? Let's see what happened. Oh, the white one broke? Let's go see what happened. We ran up the digits. We ran